This is a sea cucumber feeding. It uses its tentacles to capture tiny floating particles in the ocean. When spring arrives in the northern hemisphere, the sea temperature rises. Sea stars are among the first marine creatures to react. They climb to the highest points, using their tube feet to sense changes in water temperature. When the temperature is right, they start spawning. Sea cucumbers, hiding in rock crevices, usually only expose their mouths. But when many sea stars spawn simultaneously, they fully emerge, extending their tentacles to capture as many sea star eggs as possible, then consume them. Sea cucumbers aren't the only ones enjoying this feast. Sea pens, resembling brush-like straws, also emerge from the seabed to indulge in the bounty brought by sea star spawning. Such easy meals are rare in the ocean. Most marine creatures still need to hunt for their food. This is a parrotfish. Some of its behaviors are beyond human understanding of fish. Every morning, it searches for a special food among the broken corals and sand, a small clam. But how does it open the shell to eat the meat inside? Despite having a few teeth, the parrotfish's bite isn't strong enough to crush the shell. It takes the clam to its personal underwater kitchen, a bowl-shaped coral with a bump inside that serves its purpose. It slams the clam against this bump, but opening the hard shell often requires effort. Fortunately, the parrotfish is determined. After several hard slams, the shell finally opens. The parrotfish is one of the few fish that use tools. Fish living in coral can cleverly use the complex structure to avoid danger, which frustrates some predators. This is a grouper, relying on catching small fish to survive. Its body is too large to squeeze into the coral where small fish hide. Octopuses also prey on these small fish hiding in coral. Their flexible bodies can squeeze into any narrow gap. Even so, some fish escape. But when two different species start cooperating, things change. When the grouper finds small fish it can't catch, it lightens its body color and points its head towards the prey's hiding spot to attract the octopus's attention. The octopus receives the signal and quickly moves to the location the grouper indicated. The octopus extends its arms into the hiding spot, causing the fish to flee.